Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, March 30th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, we have a high of 77, a low of 61. Not sure about that because it's a little chilly out there this morning. Partly cloudy and a 10% chance of rain. It should warm up nicely this afternoon. Today for breakfast, maybe a breakfast sandwich, fruit and juice. For lunch, could possibly be crispy wings, sweet potato fries, garden salad, roll, juice, and fruit of your choice. We have one and only one birthday today, and that is the big man on campus, Cedric Clifton. He is one of our 5th graders, and he is on the archery team, and if you see him, he's the tallest kid around here, so tell him happy birthday. Happy birthday, Cedric. Today's announcements. We will have ACAP testing continuing today. We know our 4th and 5th grade scholars have set some awesome goals for the ACAP scores, and we're cheering them on to do their very best. I have heard how hard our 4th and 5th graders are working on their ACAP, taking their time, doing their best, using their scratch paper, doing all the things to reach their goals and to boost their scores, and we are so super proud of them for that. All we're asking is for everyone to try their very best. Today's late duty is Miss Weaver. Tomorrow, Miss Tarver. Important dates. Today we have a 1st grade field trip. April 7th is the 3rd grade honor walk. April 14th, Kona Ice and Spring Picnic. Also, one more note. If you have an archery student that brought back a field trip form, if you want to just hang on to those until after lunch today, and then you can instruct them to send it to the Collab Lab. If I'm not in the Collab Lab, they can just set it in my chair by my computer, and I will pick it up later. Thanks. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Shepherd Scholars.